Hair loss can lower confidence and lead to feelings of embarrassment or self-consciousness. Yet many people don't take action to restore their hair. Some might feel doing so is vain or too expensive. Some might be afraid of surgery or worry that the results of their procedure won't appear natural. Bosley, the world's most experienced hair restoration expert, addresses these concerns by offering the latest proven technologies in hair restoration and providing the treatment plan you deserve. When you take action to get a free information kit and sign up for a free consultation with a Bosley hair restoration specialist, you'll discover why Bosley is America's #1 hair restoration practice. And the sooner you visit us, the more options you'll have. Those options include Bosley's latest hair transplant procedure, follicular unit excision, or FUE. This technique uses Bosley's trademarked hair-by-hair technology to extract individual hair grafts from the donor area, the back of the head, and move them to the hairline or crown one by one, leaving no linear scar and natural-looking results. Bosley physicians are highly experienced in their field and combine the art and science of hair restoration to deliver natural-looking results. Some of the other great Bosley hair restoration options include the Bosley Revitalizer Laser Therapy Cap for follicle stimulation to help grow thicker, fuller hair in the comfort of your own home. Scalp Micropigmentation, or SMP, is a great option for giving the appearance of hair. Use SMP to define your hairline or for filling in areas and instantly creating the appearance of more density. The sooner you come in, the more options you will have available to you to retain, regrow, and restore your hair. Bosley isn't just the leader in hair restoration. It has the personnel, track record, and patient accolades to complement its high-level techniques. The Bosley Medical Practice has won the most industry awards for their contribution to the field of hair restoration by the largest trade association in the industry, the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, or ISHRS. Experience is everything at Bosley, where more than 300,000 hair restoration procedures have already been performed. In business for over 40 years, Bosley is a trusted name who continues to lead in hair restoration. Bosley's physicians take pride in the artistry of their work and use their expertise to give patients a truly natural-looking hairline. Bosley offers the only permanent, proven solution to hair loss and provides non-surgical, personalized solutions. And the Bosley Guarantee ensures the replacement of any non-growing hair transplant graft free of charge. Best of all, hair restoration is achievable and affordable with Bosley on virtually any budget. Financing options are available, and with the Care Credit credit card, you can pay over time and be sure you get the treatment you want and need, subject to credit approval. See carecredit.com for details. If financial or surgical concerns are a barrier to seeking treatment, let Bosley give you peace of mind with its straightforward payment options and top-tier care. Don't spend time, money, and valuable donor hair on substandard treatments. Choose the physicians that have performed more hair transplants than any other medical group in the world, including all 50 states and over 70 nations. Choose Bosley, who uphold the highest ethical standards in the industry, with years of specialized practice and ongoing training. There's nothing vain about wanting to be happy with how you look. Take action today to achieve the look you deserve. The sooner you do, the more options you'll have, and the faster you'll be on the road to a fuller head of hair. You don't have to suffer from hair loss, and you don't have to hesitate to find treatment. With a free info kit from Bosley, you will learn about proven hair restoration options and see for yourself the potential of hair restoration treatment from Bosley's outstanding physicians. Sign up for a free in-person or video consultation and let a Bosley hair restoration specialist show you what Bosley can do for you. And best of all, special financing with convenient monthly payments is available with the Care Credit credit card to help you get the treatment you desire. Bosley has been here for over 4 decades, helping people around the world. Take advantage of Bosley's advanced techniques and get started on restoring your hair. There's no need to wait. Take control of your hair loss today. Put your trust in the experts. Experience matters. Reach out to Bosley today.